Hello and welcome to week 12's homework. The first thing you'll see is to keep practicing your phonograms, especially those new ones. If you look at number 3, it says to finish your lesson and be prepared to teach your phonics lesson with a sound card in class on Monday. Here's the link. I'll pause it or you pause the video and then go to the link. So if you look on here, this is what we were practicing in class. You're to create your own based on your sound card, and you should have enough materials for 2 students, which will be your classmates, and you're going to teach this on the 8th. So continuing on, we have some new learning. One is going to be something called the San Diego Quick Assessment. The link is right here. And then I added what my notebook looks like. I'm just going to show you the quick link. So here's the link and the directions, how to give it and scoring. Use some of this information and then look at additional information that I have on my notebook page. So here's some additional information that I put like on my page. Its purpose, how do you give it, when to stop, what do the results mean, and then I gave you the handout to put on here. Continue on, same type of things going on. Learn about accented and unaccented syllables. I need to put the link in, sorry, I'll fix that. And then here's my notebook. A quick phonics screener. This is kind of just an overview. I'll put that link in there as well. Read chapter 12 on automaticity. Here's my notebook link. It's just blank, but take notes on page 112. And then I gave you a tab for fluency. And here's my notebook, and glue that in. And then submit those pages 109 to 113. All right, and have a good weekend. I'll see you next week.